What's up, guys? Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub, the place where we explore the coolest cars, bikes, and everything on wheels in real, simple, and fun style. If you love fresh automotive content, detailed walkarounds, and honest first looks, you're in the right spot. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Today we've got something super stylish and modern from Audi, so let's get straight into it. The vehicle in front of us is the brand new 2026 Audi Q5 Sportback S line, and this is one of those SUVs that blends practicality with coupe-like sportiness. From the very first glance, you can tell Audi wanted this model to stand out from the regular Q5. The front end carries Audi's latest design language with a bold single-frame grille finished in platinum gray, sharper bumper intakes, and sleek matrix LED headlights that give the car an aggressive and high-tech face. The hood lines are more sculpted than before, making the stance look wider and more confident. Moving to the side profile, the real Sportback character shows itself. The sloping roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, creating that SUV coupe silhouette people in the US market really enjoy. The S-line trim adds larger alloy wheels, usually 20 inches with optional 21s, black exterior accents, and sportier body cladding. The mirrors, window surrounds, and lower trim pieces are finished in darker tones, which contrasts nicely with bright paint colors. The door handles sit flush, and the shoulder line runs clean from front to back, keeping the design elegant rather than overdone. At the rear, Audi has introduced a modern light signature with connected taillights and a full-width light bar. The bumper is more performance-inspired with an integrated diffuser look and hidden exhaust styling. The power tailgate opens to a very usable cargo area even with the coupe roof, and Audi has managed to keep good headroom for passengers, which was always a concern on older Sportbacks. Let's step inside the cabin, because interior is where Audi usually wins hearts. As soon as the door opens, you're greeted with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and detailed stitching. The seats in the S line are sport seats wrapped in fine leather or leather Alcantara mixed with S embossing. They are nicely bolstered, heated, ventilated in higher packages, and extremely comfortable for long American highway drives. The steering wheel is flat-bottom S-line style with solid metal paddles and multifunction controls. The dashboard now features Audi's updated MMI touch response system with a large upper infotainment screen and a lower display dedicated to climate and comfort functions. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation with Google-based maps, and beautiful Audi virtual cockpit sit right in front of the driver. The ambient lighting spreads across the dash and doors, and the night vibe of this SUV is amazing. You also get wireless charging, USB-C ports, and a premium Bang & Olufsen 3D sound option that many US buyers will definitely choose. Under the skin, the 2026 Q5 Sportback S line for the US is expected with a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, quattro all-wheel drive, and a quick S-tronic transmission. Power delivery feels smooth, more responsive than the 2025 model, and Audi has tuned the suspension slightly firmer on the S line to match the sporty exterior. This SUV is not an off-roader like a truck, but for city streets, school runs, and weekend road trips across states, it's perfect. Driver assistance is another big upgrade. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, 360 cameras, and parking sensors make daily life easy. The visibility is good despite the coupe roof, and Audi has added better camera-based rear view to help. Overall, the 2026 Audi Q5 Sportback S line is for those American buyers who want style without jumping to a full SQ5 or electric model. It looks expensive, feels expensive, but still remains a practical family SUV. Audi has clearly focused on design, technology, and comfort for the US lifestyle. Alright guys, that was our first look at this beautiful machine from Audi. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the new grille and the Sportback rear lights. If you enjoyed this walk around, drop a like, subscribe to Smart Drive Hub, and I'll see you very soon with another exciting ride. Stay safe and keep driving smart.